Today we're diving into the top 5 best hair clippers for men. These bad boys are going to make sure your haircuts are smooth, sharp, and salon quality without the hefty price tag. We'll be counting down from the least best to the best, so make sure you stick around till the end for the ultimate clipper recommendation. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the VGR Pro Hair Clippers for Men Professional. These clippers are a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful yet budget-friendly option. With sharp stainless steel blades and a solid motor, these clippers give you the precision you need for a clean cut every time. One of the standout features? It's cordless, making it easy to maneuver, and the battery life is pretty impressive. But when you compare it to others on the list, it does lack a bit of finesse in longer use, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Next up at number 4 is the Haokri Hair Clippers for Men. These clippers offer a professional feel with a strong motor that runs quietly, which is a bonus for those who are sensitive to noise. The precision blades provide an ultra-close cut, and the kit comes with a ton of accessories so you can customize your look with ease. While they do perform great overall, their battery life might not last as long as some others in the game, but they still deliver excellent value, especially if you're looking for versatility. At number 3, we have the Wahl Lithium-Ion Pro Rechargeable Cordless Hair Clippers. Wahl is a brand that needs no introduction, and these clippers are a fan favorite for good reason. With powerful lithium-ion battery technology, you get up to 2 hours of use on a single charge, and that's just the beginning. The blades are sharp, the motor is powerful, and it's designed to handle even thick hair with ease. But compared to the next two, we're starting to see features that elevate the game even more, like more precise cutting technology and an overall more refined build. Coming in at number 2, we have the Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper. This is where the clippers start getting really serious. Featuring easy-to-use color-coded combs, it takes the guesswork out of cutting your hair to perfection. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned pro, this feature ensures your cuts are always on point. The motor is strong, and the rechargeable design makes it super convenient, but it's still not quite as polished as the top choice. For many, this will be the clipper that just works, but we've got one more that takes things to the next level. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men. These clippers are truly in a class of their own. With a professional-grade motor, ultra-sharp blades, and a long-lasting battery, the Novah clippers are built to last. The precision is next level, making them perfect for both home use and professional settings. Whether you're trimming around your beard or giving yourself a full fade, these clippers handle every task effortlessly. Their ergonomic design means you'll be comfortable holding them for as long as you need, and the overall performance is just unparalleled compared to the competition. There you have it, our list of the top 5 best hair clippers for men. Whether you're looking for something for basic trims or you want professional level performance, there's something here for every guy out there. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these clippers. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay sharp, guys, and we'll see you next time.